Hi everybody, it's Janabelle from East Coast Mommy, and today I have some genius winter hacks to share with you. They're guaranteed to make your winter easier and more fun. First up is a hack for boots that are wet inside. Crumple up some newspaper and stuff it inside to absorb the moisture. You could also use microfiber towels or socks filled with rice. This is a great way to keep your feet warm and dry this winter. And if cold feet at bedtime are an issue for you during winter, like they are for me, grab a microwavable heating pad or a hot water bottle and put it under the covers down by where your feet go before you get tucked in. This will keep your feet warm and toasty. Fires are super cozy, but if you don't have a fireplace, I have a hack for you. Go to Netflix or YouTube and search faux fireplaces. You can instantly transform your TV into a roaring fire. Candles also add a warm glow and a cozy feeling to your home this time of year. In my house, I have a combination of real candles and fake candles, and I love them. Baking sweet treats is another great winter hack. It makes your house smell so cozy and homey. And when you're finished baking, you can leave the oven door open for a free blast of heat. Winter comes with snow, and if you want to make your life a little easier, try this hack. Spray some cooking spray on your shovel, and the snow won't stick. Here's a fun hack for the kids. Make your own snow paint. Grab some dollar store spray bottles, fill it with water, and add a few drops of food coloring. Easy peasy. Here's a hack for keeping warm outside this winter. Have an outdoor campfire. You can roast marshmallows and hot dogs, and it's super fun. Getting crafty is a perfect idea for a cold winter afternoon. I made this beautiful wreath for my front door, and I made these spare sock snowmen with my kids. I think that these are both adorable projects, and I'll leave a link in the description below to the step-by-step instructions. Making snow ice cream is one of my favorite winter activities. You just need 8 cups of freshly fallen clean snow, a can of sweetened condensed milk, and a teaspoon of vanilla. Stir it up and enjoy. Putting together a simple snack charcuterie board is another fantastic idea. I love to put them together for movie afternoons or movie nights with my family. You can pick a winter theme movie to go with your winter theme board, or you can just pick a special theme. I love a Harry Potter movie night. Sometimes the simple ideas are the best ones. Throw some glow sticks in a bath for a simple and fun way to warm up. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to be notified of future videos. Talk to you next time. Bye.